Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ray, and today is the 24th. Technically, today's the 25th, but I forgot to add an intro. So this video is going to be all about how I spent my day yesterday. I live in Utah, and so we celebrate the 24th every year. It's a huge holiday. Today was a little smaller because of COVID, but that's okay. We still had fun. So let's get into it. Alright guys, I'm up in the mountains. We're going for a hike, me and my family. This is the 24th. We celebrate it here in Utah. Just look at that view. Down here there's a little stream. It's so pretty. Best hike all year. Got this little walkway with rocks till you come into this little, it's like a magical cove. It's so pretty. So pretty. There's your little stream. I love it here. Look at that, beautiful waterfall.
Oh, I hit record.
Oh, look at my cute parents walking away. They're so cute. When they get the real fish, and you get this. Alright, I'm just kidding. This is what I'm eating now. I'm having a burger with potatoes and a salad. Okay guys, we're outside about to watch fireworks. Get ready. I love fireworks. These are so pretty. That's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. And I will be posting every other day, so look out for more of those. You can follow me on Instagram at New Things with Rachel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you. Peace.